Hi, my name is Dr. Justin McCormick. In this video, I want to teach you about how does carpal tunnel syndrome get started and how does our clinic correct the problems of carpal tunnel syndrome, relieving the pain and the symptoms that go along with that. Our office has performed thousands of successful treatments for carpal tunnel syndrome relief. So first let's talk about how does carpal tunnel syndrome get started. Mostly begins from overuse or repetitive motion. Careers such as, meat cutters, hairstylists, people that type with a computer all the time, hygienists that are using their hand in this flexion type motion all the time. These are jobs that are very prone to getting carpal tunnel syndrome. What happens is there's a nerve that goes from the bottom of our neck. It goes all the way down our arm and then comes through a tunnel, which we call the carpal tunnel, which is in your wrist right here. You can see on the video there. And then goes down into your fingers, okay, these fingers right here. So what happens is when we overuse the wrist, it causes swelling in that tunnel, and it inflames and it compresses on that nerve, that median nerve that I just talked about, that goes into your hand. Now, initially, the person is going to have, obviously some pain. Can go from, minimal to moderate pain, but it's a progressive condition. Carpal tunnel syndrome actually gets worse over time. So what happens is that pain starts causing tingling, numbness, burning sensations, and many times weakness that can be so bad, these muscles here will actually atrophy, okay? What happens is that median nerve that supplies those muscles, it's not getting there anymore, and so they just literally kind of shrink and go away, okay? That's severe weakness that happens at that point. So what do we do for carpal tunnel syndrome? We use what's called the wrist track protocol, okay? The wrist track protocol, what happens is it tractions out the wrist, and then we shoot lasers into the wrist joint, and that decreases the swelling. So the wrist track protocol opens up the joint, gets the pressure off the nerve, that median nerve that I talked about. The lasers then go in there and decrease the inflammation, decreasing or even eliminating the carpal tunnel syndrome problem altogether. Then we use things like stretching, we use supplementation to even further increase the success rate of our carpal tunnel syndrome program. So if you have problems with, like I said, tingling, numbness, burning, pain, sometimes keeping you up at night, you can't fall asleep because of the pain or the tingling in your wrist. If you're having these problems, call our office, 425-379-9749. Ask whoever answers that you want those 2 free trial visits that we're offering. It'll give you a first-hand account of how the treatment works, how the technology works. You'll be able to feel it, for yourself. Most people, they're going to get results. They're going to start seeing those results, many times in just a few visits. So call our office, take advantage of that opportunity, get to know us and our doctors, see if we can help you if you're a good candidate, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much.